Introduction. Welcome back, implementation specialists. After exploring revenue models last week, today we're diving into the practical frameworks that turn theory into results. Here's something remarkable. Last week, a small team implemented their AI affiliate system in just 72 hours using the framework we'll discuss today. Within a week, they achieved 200% better results than their old system that took months to build. The Master Implementation Framework Core Components. 1. System Architecture. 2. Process Integration. 3. Performance Monitoring. 4. Optimization Protocols. 5. Scaling Mechanisms. Phase 1, Foundation Building. 1. Infrastructure Setup. 1. Data Collection Systems. 2. Processing Capabilities. 3. Storage Solutions. 4. Security Protocols. 5. Integration Points. 2. Team Preparation. 1. Skill Assessment. 2. Training Programs. 3. Role Definition. 4. Responsibility Assignment. 5. Communication Protocols. 3. Process Development. 1. Workflow Design. 2. Standard Procedures. 3. Quality Controls. 4. Performance Metrics. 5. Reporting Systems. Phase 2, AI Integration. 1. Core AI Implementation. 1. Model Selection. 2. Data Training. 3. System Testing. 4. Performance Validation. 5. Integration Verification. 2. Process Automation. 1. Task Identification. 2. Workflow Automation. 3. Quality Control. 4. Performance Monitoring. 5. Optimization Protocols. 3. Testing Protocols. 1. System Validation. 2. Performance Testing. 3. Error Checking. 4. Security Verification. 5. Integration Confirmation. Phase 3, Optimization. 1. Performance Enhancement. 1. System Refinement. 2. Process Improvement. 3. Efficiency Optimization. 4. Cost Reduction. 5. Value Maximization. 2. Scale Planning. 1. Capacity Assessment. 2. Resource Allocation. 3. Growth Planning. 4. Risk Management. 5. Opportunity Identification. 3. Future Proofing. 1. Technology Adaptation. 2. Market Preparation. 3. Innovation Planning. 4. Skill Development. 5. Strategic Positioning. Technical Requirements. 1. System Infrastructure. 1. Processing Power. 2. Storage Capacity. 3. Network Bandwidth. 4. Security Systems. 5. Integration Capabilities. 2. Data Management. 1. Collection systems. 2. Processing tools. 3. Analysis capabilities. 4. Storage solutions. 5. Security protocols. 3. Integration points. 1. Platform connections. 2. API management. 3. Data flow. 4. System synchronization. 5. Performance monitoring success metrics. 1. Implementation metrics. 1. Setup time. 2. Integration success. 3. System performance. 4. Error rates. 5. Resource utilization. 2. Performance metrics. 1. Conversion rates. 2. Revenue growth. 3. Cost reduction. 4. Efficiency improvement. 5. Value creation. 3. Business impact. 1. ROI measurement. 2. Market position. 3. Competitive advantage. 4. Innovation capability. 5. Growth potential. Common challenges. 1. Technical issues. 1. Integration problems. 2. Performance bottlenecks. 3. Security concerns. 4. Scaling difficulties. 5. Resource constraints. 2. Organizational challenges. 1. Change resistance. 2. Skill gaps. 3. Resource limitations. 4. Process conflicts. 5. Cultural barriers. 3. Market challenges. 1. Competition pressure. 2. Market changes. 3. Customer expectations. 4. Regulatory requirements. 5. Technology evolution resolution strategies. 1. Technical solutions. 1. Modular implementation. 2. Incremental scaling. 3. Regular testing. 4. Performance monitoring. 5. Continuous optimization. 2. Organizational solutions. 1. Change management. 2. Training programs. 3. Resource allocation. 4. Process optimization. 5. Cultural adaptation. 3. Market solutions. 1. Competitive analysis. 2. Market monitoring. 3. Customer feedback. 4. Regulatory compliance. 5. Technology tracking implementation timeline week 1 to 2, foundation. 1. Infrastructure setup. 2. Team preparation. 3. Process development. 4. System integration. 5. Initial testing week 3 to 4, optimization. 1. Performance enhancement. 2. Process refinement. 3. Scale planning. 4. Risk management. 5. Future preparation week 5 to 6, growth. 1. System expansion. 2. Performance optimization. 3. Market adaptation. 4. Innovation development. 5. Strategic positioning. Future considerations. 1. Technology evolution. 1. AI advancement. 2. New platforms. 3. Enhanced capabilities. 4. Integration opportunities. 5. Innovation potential. 2. Market changes. 1. Customer behavior. 2. Competition dynamics. 3. Regulatory environment. 4. Technology adoption. 5. Value creation. 3. Strategic adaptation. 1. Business model evolution. 2. Process improvement. 3. Skill development. 4. Resource allocation. 5. Innovation-focused practical exercise for next week. 1. Create implementation timeline. 2. Identify resource requirements. 3. Plan risk management strategies. 4. Set success metrics looking ahead next week, risk management and compliance. 1. Risk identification. 2. Compliance requirements. 3. Management strategies. 4. Success measurement key takeaways. 1. Successful implementation requires structured execution. 2. AI-driven automation enhances efficiency and performance. 3. Monitoring and optimizing processes is essential for scalability. 4. Continuous adaptation ensures long-term sustainability. Questions to consider. 1. What resources do you need for implementation? 2. Where are your potential bottlenecks? 3. How will you manage risks? 4. What defines success in your AI affiliate marketing strategy? This concludes Lecture 10. Next week, we'll explore risk management and compliance in AI affiliate marketing. Bring your implementation plans and questions.